The mission behind the ARM School programme is to work with our partners to close the STEM skills gap, which is the gap between the skills and knowledge required by industry and those provided through graduates coming through the education system. Now, of course, schools and universities are absolutely central to closing the STEM skills gap, but they shouldn't expect to do it alone. Technology companies such as ARM have a vital role to play in closing the STEM skills gap, and that's where the ARM School programme comes in.
We work in partnership with various stakeholders to develop high-quality project-based learning resources to teach computer science, Internet of Things and machine learning, artificial intelligence and various other STEM-based activities.
I think it's really important that all those who care about computing education, we all want to see the best quality education happening in our schools, and particularly with computing. Our digital world, it's all around us. All our children will end up working in a digital environment in some way, shape or form. And we need to get alongside the teachers to support them in that. Industry has a significant amount of expertise, knowledge, and to a certain extent anticipations and expectations of the sorts of skills, of the sorts of knowledge that they want to see coming up in our children when they enter the workplace. So for industry to work alongside, share some of their expertise, their engineers, their ideas, and a whole variety of different occupations that there will be in those companies, from large companies, global internationals, down to the small, medium enterprises and small local companies. It's significantly important to get alongside, support the teachers, support the pupils in what we're all trying to do, which is to give a high quality computing education for all our pupils.
Designing Our Tomorrow is a partnership between the Faculty of Education and the Department of Engineering. We provide teachers, predominantly in design and technology, with teaching resources based on current practice in industry to make sure student learning is applicable going forward for when they leave school. We believe we can equip every child with the thinking tools to solve problems in a complex world. ARM, as we all know, are very much the bedrock to the digital space. They can provide the digital tools that underpin our everyday. ARM's involvement, they have been our biggest sponsor and industry supporter to date, and have helped us transform our thinking and actually to apply that thinking into the resources and help us get them into schools to help transform practice.
The ARM School programme is about supporting teachers and learners in STEM education. It's driven by learner outcomes. There are two key pillars to our programme. One, community and research, which is about supporting teachers in communities of practice and also contributing to the evidence base around educational research into STEM subjects. The second pillar is around content and training, which is about ARM working with its partners to develop content for students and for teachers that help them deliver STEM education in the classroom.